Video, we are assembling the hand sanitizer covers. So I've made several designs. We've got a St. Patrick's Day, we have Easter, Valentine's. I went ahead and did the New Year, even though Happy New Year, today is the New Year. This could be also used for other celebrations. We've got birthday and winter. And you'll notice here on these that I've popped these up with some foam tape, the front. And you can put the design on the back as well, or you can leave the back blank. They all go together the same way, so I've got one to assemble with you. And so the pieces are quite simple. This is the insert that the hand sanitizer fits in, and this is the cover. So you just want to fold that on those two score lines, and then you want to fold all the score lines on the insert that goes inside. So we're just gonna take a minute and fold these score lines. So before I glue this together, I'm going to put the two edges on, and they go here because these edges will be showing on the side of the wrap. So there is just a slight border all the way around. These can be made for the young and the old. It's just a matter of changing the paper. They take on the look of whatever paper you use on them. If you want it to be more sophisticated, choose a more sophisticated looking paper. So you can see this. Pretty straightforward. You're just going to glue these sides together. We're going to create a little box insert here. Okay, and then we're going to set this aside for just a moment because I want to put the panels on this before we glue the insert in. I think it's easier to work on these when they can lay out flat. So again, you do have a slight border around everything, so just take a moment and eyeball that, glue it into place. Do that for both sides. I hope everybody had a really good Christmas. It was nice to have some time off. Okay, so I've got that prepped. So I have glued these two pieces together. You have a border for this, and I've put some foam tape on the back. And I've also done some foam on the back of a couple of pieces. This one I'm going to do flat, and it's the center candle. You can do these any way you want. You don't need to use foam tape if you don't want. So I'm going to put that one down. And then I'm going to put this one down that I put 2 pieces of foam on. I'll put those right there. This also is 2 pieces glued together. There's an insert. I use like a confetti paper to be the insert of mine. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. I had already adhered those pieces together because, again, that's pretty straightforward. Now this one, and you'll see here the reason why there's only foam tape at the top is because it overlaps this one. So once I adhere this down with the foam tape, I'll put a little dot of glue here on the bottom of the purple candle. Just like that. So that's very quick and easy. We'll just adhere this right to the front. Looks like I should have picked maybe a darker border to make these candles stand out a little better against my paper that's so busy. There's no right or wrong way for adhering this one. So there it is. And now for the insert, you're just going to put glue on each of these tabs. And then what I do is I hold, get in my hand, I hold this up so that I'm putting the box down right where it goes. And I'm also feeling it side to side. And then this space is big enough that you can fit your hand inside your finger and hold that down. And there it is. And here it fits this shaped hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. Fits right in there. As long as your bottle is not bigger than the Bath & Body Works, it should fit. Now I've just got some of my trendy twine. This is from Anne's Paper Boutique. And you just tie it shut. Make my bow a little bit smaller, and then I'm going to trim my edges. And it is that simple. That is the hand sanitizer cover. Thank you for joining me.